Look at this setup, so cool, right? Took me years to build all this, but now I'm moving from UAE to Canada, and honestly, packing all this expensive gear without damaging anything, huge headache. I am scared for even a small scratch, and no way I'm risking it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm calling the experts.
Yep, Baxter Shipping, the #1 packers, movers, and relocation experts here in the UAE. Now that's stress-free moving.
That's right, Baxter Shipping is your best and should be your top choice when it comes to packing your expensive, sensitive, and fragile equipment. Because at Baxter, we take care of your items like they're our own. Every piece is carefully wrapped in protective sheets and bubble wrap, placed with shock-resistant cushioning and packing peanuts, then secured in strong double-wall cartons. Each box is properly sealed, labeled, and handled with extreme care by trained professionals, ensuring safe loading, transport, and delivery from start to finish. So you don't stress?
Look at this. We did it! Great work, guys. Look at
Baxter Shipping. Moving made safe, simple, and reliable.